say hi, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
Say, we're going to make a lava lamp.
Lava lamp.
Okay, oil first. Oh, okay, yep. Okay. Now a little water, gentle. Gentle. Good job.
It works.
Good job, okay.
The front.
Yeah, now the red, right? Okay, just a few. Okay, stop. Cat, stop.
It works.
Okay, and now what's this? Alka-Seltzer.
Have it?
Can you say it?
Oh, Shelter.
Very good. I'm going to drop it in there.
It works.
Watch it. What's it doing? It's bubbling.
Is there more?
It's bubbling.
More, please?
Yeah, I think it needs more. Oh, there it goes.
It's yellow. It turned red.
Yeah, be careful. You're shaking it.
I
Whoa.
see the wagon. A red.
Yeah, it's making red bubbles.
How much more? More, please?
Don't touch it. That's pretty cool, huh?
The more?
You want to do another one?
Okay.
What color should we make the next one?
More pink.
What's it doing down there?
What's it doing down here? It bubbles.
Yeah,
Bubbles are red.
we made red bubbles.
There more red?
Who loves bubbles?
More red. More red.
Okay, well, we can make a different color one now. You want to make a different one?
A blue.
A blue one? Okay. Say bye, everybody.
Bye bye.
Say thanks for watching.